Let's simplify the rational algebraic expression. So x times x minus 1 minus 6 over x times x minus 1 minus 20 times x minus 1 plus 3x minus 8 over x squared minus 9 divided by x minus 2 over x minus 5. So we have multiplication and division of rational expressions. So let's try to simplify first yung bawat rational expression. So pwede muna nating i-multiply, i-distribute itong x. So magiging x squared. Then x times negative 1, that's negative x. Then minus 6 over, distribute the x. So x times x, that's x squared. X times negative 1, negative x minus 20. Times, okay, distribute the x. X times x, that's x squared. X times negative 1, negative x. Then copy, plus 3x minus 8 over x squared minus 9. Then for division, the rule is gagawin nating multiplication yung operation, pero reciprocal natin yung x minus 2 over x minus 5. Pagbabalik na rin natin yung numerator, denominator, sa magiging x minus 5 over x minus 2. So pwede na tayong mag-factor out dito. So factors ng x squared minus x minus 6. So isip tayo ng factors ng x squared, that's x times x, right? Then, isip tayong factors ng constant na negative 6 kapag inad is equal sa coefficient ng x na negative 1. So, pwedeng negative 3 and positive 2, right? So, negative 3 and positive 2. Negative 3 times 2 is negative 6. Negative 3 plus 2, negative 1. Over, factoring out x squared minus x minus 20. Again, two binomial factors. Factors ng x squared can be x times x. Then, isip tayo ng factors nung constant negative 20 kapag inad is equal sa coefficient ng x na negative 1. So, pwedeng negative 5 and positive 4, right? Negative 5 times 4 is negative 20. Negative 5 plus 4, negative 1. Next, factor out natin ito. By the way, this one will become x squared. Then, negative x plus 3x. So, magiging positive 2x na yan. Okay? So, pag finactor natin yan, dalawang binomial factors. So, factors ng x squared ay x times x. Easy factors ng negative 8 kapag inad is positive 2. So, pwedeng positive 4 and negative 2. 4 times negative 2, it's negative 8. 4 plus negative 2, positive 2. Then, x squared minus 9 using difference of 2 squares. So, we have this 9 can be written as 3 squared, right? So, therefore, the factored form of x squared minus 3 squared is x plus 3 and x minus 3. Then, copy na lang natin to times x minus 5 over x minus 2. Then, check natin yung mga pwedeng i-cancel. Ano-ano yung mga pwedeng i-cancel na common factors sa numerator at denominator? So, we have x minus 5. We also have x minus 2. X plus 4, then x minus 3. So, ang natira sa numerator ay x plus 2 na lang, lahat na na-cancel, over sa denominator, ang natira naman is x plus 3 na lang. So, therefore, the final answer is x plus 2 over x plus 3.